What if mag-vlog tayo? Kaninong cellphone gagamitin natin?
Pwede naman natin!
Tara! CLSU Vlog starts in 1, 2, 3! Hi guys!
Hi, we are here at CLSU Zen Garden. CLSU Zen Garden promotes peace, relaxation, and mindfulness by providing a tranquil environment where visitors can unwind and reflect. It also fosters cultural appreciation, particularly for Japanese aesthetic, as seen in the elements design, which like the target and rock formations. It also supports environmental awareness and sustainability, especially with the planting of native trees, which enhances biodiversity and green places within the university.
Keeping modern agricultural landscape through integrating CLSU-generated technologies. Tara sa Kamalig! Kamalig showcase the different practices and the products of our farmers, as well our fisher folks, and the technologies here are made by the CLSU University, promoting the sustainable development of the university goals.
Hi guys! Alam niyo ba na ang Institute for Climate Change and Environmental Management o ICEM dito sa CLSU ay nakatuon sa pananaliksik at pag-aaral tungkol sa pagbabago-bago ng klima at sa pangangalaga sa kapaligiran. At alam niyo rin ba na ito ay itinatag noong 1997 na tinatawag na EMI o Environmental Management Institute. At pinalawak ito noong 2011 upang isama ang disaster risk knowledge. Pinagmamalaki nito ang pakikipagtulungan sa DNR para sa biodiversity conservation at mga pagsasanay sa kalakasan ng mga komunidad sa pagtugon sa climate change.
Hi everyone! I'm here today at Reimers Hall, a treasured landmark here at Central Valley State University.
Sa hall na ito, makikita natin ang mga antigong kagamitang pang-agrikultura na kamana ng mga nakaraang gawain sa pagsasari. Kaya, ang mga antigong kagamitan nito ay patunay ng mayamang kasaysayan ng CLSU at ng papel nito sa larangan ng agrikultura. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara na dito sa CLSU!
Hi! So behind me is the CLSU Oval Grounds, a place for connection, relaxation, and growth. CLSU's envision to its students is to become globally competitive. And just like this oval, it's the best place for growth, where individuals, just like the students, faculties, and other people, come together striving for academic and personal excellence. This oval plays a vital role in producing highly competent individuals, and that is by promoting development, camaraderie, and good health. CLSU is a place for greater opportunities, shaping individuals who are ready to make difference. This is CLSU, a best place to make your future better.
What's up guys? Tayo ngayon ay nasa PCC or Philippine Carabao Center, kung saan ang CLSU ay nagbebenta ng iba't ibang produkto kagaya ng pulburon, silbanyas at gatas ng kalabaw. Nagbebenta rin ang CLSU ng tilapia ice cream na kilala sa Pilipinas at kahit sa ibang bansa. Tunay ng globally competitive ang Central Luzon State University.
Kaya sa CLSU,
Kita ang saya!